What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing a stage 1 from Go Power Sports. Go. Alright, we're going to pop off this so we can get down and disconnect that. Alright, I can't do this one-handed, so I'm going to pop this off and then do the rest on camera. Alright, I got that off. I just have to real quick go find a bucket so that any gas that falls into it and not on the ground. There we go, that is off. Let's pull that off. See how much gas we can lose. There we go. Let's get this back on. There's probably a better method of doing this. I just don't really know it yet. So if you know a better method of doing this and not spilling $5,000, maybe you could let me know in the comments. That'd be very helpful in the future. Alright, the stage 1 carb is on. Now I'm just going to bolt back on the throttle arm. There we go. Just make sure that lines up. There we go. Now we're going to install the exhaust. Let's pop off this original thing. There we go. It is complete. And it's funny, it is like maybe 6 right now, and it is pitch black, but it is finally done. Alright, time for the first startup. There we, started for a second.